Good morning. This is KP Kavani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Computer Application. In today, we are going to see DT activity for a Samsung mobile brand. First of all, let us see what is DT. What is DT? DT is nothing but a design thinking. Design thinking is nothing but a problem-solving approach that focuses on understanding users, defining creative ideas, and developing effective solutions. So, in the DT, there are 5 stages are there. First one is empathize, second one is define, third one is ideate, fourth one is prototype, and fifth one is test. So whatever the product may be, without a design thinking, the product cannot go for a market stage, it won't close. So for the Samsung mobile brand, let us see what are the 5 stages and what is happening in those 5 stages. Let us start with Lindsay, empathize.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Lindsay. The topic first we got serious. Now topic is empathize. Meaning of empathize. The empathize means to understand and share the feelings of another person. Simple definition. Empathizing is the ability to put yourself in someone else's situations or feel what they feel. Example for empathize. If your friend is sad and you understand their feelings and comfort them, you are empathizing. Importance of empathizing. Builds a strong relationship, improves the communication, helps in teamwork and leadership.
The Samsung mobile understand the user needs. They think what exactly the customer needs in their mobile brands. So they observe, they interview the customers, and they brought a new product for the market. That's what empathize goes in the Samsung mobile. So let us see what was the define.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Shafar. The define topic is mine. Define clearly identify the problem statement based on users' insights. It focuses on the point of view of the customers. So it focuses what exactly is the problem.
So in define, the Samsung mobile R&D people, what they did is they clearly identified the problem. So we have n number of problems. Each customer will say one different problems in each mobiles. So they on a whole they compiled all those problems and they got exactly what was the main issues the customer faces in the Samsung mobile comparatively to other mobile. So from that point they have clearly give a statement what is the problem which focus exactly what they need. So let us see what was the idea they did. Yes.
Morning. My name is Nidya. I am studying first BCom CA. Ideate, creative ideas and solutions, and brainstorm without limits, focus thinking, think many solutions.
Right. So in ideate stage, what they did is they brought so many creative ideas. The R&D people of Samsung mobiles, they brought so many ideas. From those ideas, they picked some of the things which is aptly suitable for the customer needs. So this was the ideate process they have been done. But let us see from that ideate what was the prototype or the model they brought for the Samsung mobile.
Prototype create simple models or samples for the idea, low cost and quick focus to build the.
So in prototype, what they did is they made a R&D and they brought a sample of manufacturing things for the Samsung mobile and they lead that to the market for a sample testing. After that, if it works, they started to launch the product. Doesn't work in the prototype stage. Again, it will go to what the stage? DD activity. First stage of empathize. From any stages, we can go for the first stage. Maximum in the prototype stage, if they create a model and they started experimenting it, if they find any failure over that model, definitely the people will go for the empathize stage and they will do the process again and again. So let us see what was the last testing happens.
Test. Try the prototype with the real users. Get feedback and improve. Focus, learn and free.
So in the testing, if the prototypes get accepted means they will give samples for the people who works in their own company. They will check all the features are going in a good condition, whether the battery charges is for so long time, whether the OS which is supported for the mobile is handling for so many times or not. Like that they will test and see. After every result comes in a positive way, definitely the product will be launched in the market for the customer use. These were the design thinking stages. It is not only for the mobile, it is for any product if we take. We can use the